Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Sabrina Haq, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Middle English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a science class for class 1 student on the based on chapter 11. The name of the chapter is Taking Care of Our Body. Dear students, take your book in your hand, open page number 71. This is the chapter 11, taking care of our body, and follow the class with your book. So let's start the class. This is our lecture 8 of annual term examination, and this is SW number 6. See the picture. This is Meena. This is Meena. She is hungry. Look at the picture below. Circle the food that you think will help Meena to keep her body fit. See, there is meals. That means it is bread. This is some fruits and or vegetables, and water and some drinks. And this is snacks. That means fast food, burger and French fry. That is ice cream, and that is fruit. Which one help Meena to keep her body fit? That means this one and this one. To stay healthy and fit and not fall sick, we must follow some good habits. Let us see what they are. First good habit is eating healthy food. Food helps us to grow and stay healthy. We should eat our food at the correct time. Food eaten at a particular time on the day is called a meal. We eat 3 meals a day, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner. We have our breakfast in the morning, lunch at noon and dinner at night. See, this is the picture of breakfast. The boy is taking the breakfast in the morning, and this is the picture of lunch. The boy is taking the lunch at noon, and this is the picture of dinner. He is taking the dinner at night. We sometimes eat snacks in between meals. That means, what is snacks? Snacks is something whatever we eat in between meals. We eat chocolates, cake, chips, samosas, etc. as snacks. We should not eat too much of them because it is not good for us. They are bad for us. Now come to our next good habit, drinking clean water. Together with food, we also need to drink plenty of water. We should always drink clean water. Dirty water can make us sick. Now we will read 5 good habits to keep our body fit. First good habit is wash hands before and after eating food. Second one is eat from a clean plate. Third one is do not waste food. Fourth one is drink plenty of water every day. And fifth one is eat vegetables and fruits daily. Dear students, these 5 good habits you have to follow in your daily life. First one, you have to wash your hands before and after taking your food, and you have to eat from a clean plate and don't waste your food, and drink plenty of water every day and eat vegetables and fruits daily. Now come to our next point, keeping our body clean. We should take a bath every day to keep our body clean. We should wash our hands before and after eating. We should brush our teeth in the morning and at night before going to bed. See, that boy is taking the bath. You have to take a bath every day. Then you have to wash, this boy is washing hands, and you have to wash your hands before and after taking meals. For now, you have to wash your hands after sometimes in a day, so many times you have to wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap. Come to our next picture. There the boy is brushing the teeth. Brush your teeth in night and at night and in the morning. Now go to our next point, playing and exercising. We must run and play every day. Regular exercise keeps our body healthy and strong, and it also increase our make strong our immune system. For this time you have to take some exercise every day. Now go to next point. This is resting, like taking food, drinking clean water, keeping our body clean, and playing and exercising. We also need some rest. We must also rest well to stay healthy. We must sleep well every night. That means at night we have to sleep for 7 to 8 hours. Now playing and exercising, we must run and play every day. Regular exercise keeps our body healthy and strong. Dear students, from these chapters we have to remember we should eat our food at the correct time. We should drink plenty of water. We should take a bath every day to keep our body clean. We should wash our hands before and after eating. We should brush out teeth in the morning and at night. We must run and play every day. We must sleep well every night. Now from this chapter we will solve some objective types question, that means take the correct answer. First question is, we should brush our teeth in the morning, both morning and night every day. The answer will be both morning and night every day. Second one is, food eaten at a particular time of the day is a snack, a meal. That will be meal, because snack is the thing, something we eat between the meals. We should not eat too much of fruits or chocolates. We should not eat too much chocolates because it is not good for our health. We should read or sleep enough every night. We should sleep enough every night. You have to read also, but you must be sleep enough in every night, because it is so important for you and your health. Dear students, your today's homework is homework number 6. You have to do the MCQ. That means this portion as your homework, and you have to submit on Sunday. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I gave my mobile number and message ID on the board. Read the chapter properly, follow the class and learn the question answer, do the SW, submit every Sunday with the help of your guardian or anyone else. See you again. Stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.